How you doing, everybody? It's Jehoiadak Maccabeus Everyday Survival. We just had a big storm roll through here a little bit ago, 100-mile-an-hour winds. 97, I think was what they recorded. We did get an alert about 45 minutes before there was going to be 80-mile-an-hour winds. But, we got a little bit of damage from it. I'll swap this around, kind of show you. That's one of my black cherry trees. You can see on down in there, there's several trees down in there, some maples, and this elm, Chinese elm, whatever the hell they're called. I never can tell the difference in them two trees. Took the tops out of several. I won't walk all the way back down through there. Still trying to find a wheel to replace the one I had to drive on. I had no choice to drive on it. There it is up there. Got a friend supposed to be coming by today. He thinks he's found one. Took the top of a big old mulberry there. The one good thing about the mulberry and the black cherry, I'm gonna saw them up into boards and use them on my walls in my building. Got another, it was a decent little black cherry up in front here. I'll show it to you whenever I get up there. Garden survived pretty good. Flipped some of the squash vines over, but everything survived. Got trees down all around this little hamlet I'm on. I mean, there's my motherwort drying. Nettles. That's a branch out of a hackberry that blew over here. My solar panels, they got flipped out, and I got them straightened back up right away. They still work. Now let me get around the other side here. This is the other black cherry. It's about probably 16 inches in diameter at the base, so I'm going to take it the rest of the way down. Just doing storm cleanup. We got 4 more days of rain, supposedly, and I'm pretty happy about that, because this dry as a bone here. But hope everybody's safe out there, and y'all have a good day.